Y ganyan y hui an y ymwydach spor zele, hos I gyfan alopynach Louise Duncan ymach an y golf, a siawi I feich yn y brad yn eich cloich.
So my two brothers played golf, and I joined when I was 10 at Westgrade Golf Club. Yeah, it kind of just all went from there. I used to play quite a bit of sports in school, so it was kind of just like a hobby really, alongside the other sports I've done. It wasn't really until like I was maybe 14, 15 I took it a wee bit more seriously. Yeah, I'd say I took it really seriously when I was 16, started playing bigger competitions and started getting picked for teams, etc. It's a weird sport. Like, it's not like a physically active one, which I quite enjoy. But I think it was more the fact that you can always get better at it, and you can never really be too good at it, because you can never go around in too little shots, can you? So yeah, it was something strange about it.
Na betraidd y flina, gaf Louise Parson at Osculture AIG, for a chniach ni chi, sa friaf Janer.
Yeah, very nerve-wracking. I think that's all I've said about it. But no, it was incredible. The week was just a blur, really. It's to go out there and play well and to actually compete against the best professionals in the world was pretty special, and yeah, can't wait to do it next year. I mean, it's strange because I got so nervous, but there was no pressure on me whatsoever. But I was still shaking like an absolute leaf. So I don't know, it was strange. It was just different people, really, because in the amateur circuit, you kind of play against the same folk all the time. Like, everyone's at the same competitions. So it was nice to play with different people and get the pros' insight to it all. It was completely unexpected, like the amateur win, but yeah, it was ridiculous. I can't really believe it happened, to be honest. Yeah, not many words to describe it, just incredible and really special week for me.
Va Louise of Ruchgach skip a breichting ar farpas hwchba Curtis, y ddies shelting gyda cleichyd ar an eile, gyfel talent sgynja laichge.
Yeah, it was completely different. So it was the next week after the AIG Women's Open, and it was obviously a team format. You're playing with different people. Obviously, we all know each other in the GBNI team, but I'd never really played against any of the American team. I had no idea who they were, and they probably had no idea who I was. So it was nice to play against, again, different people. And because they were all really highly ranked, I think Wagger's number 1 and 2 were there. And to play against them and see how I compared to them, it was good for my game, and I know what I need to work on now. There's not many team events like in the amateur circuit, so to go out and actually represent GBNI, which was a goal of mine for maybe next year, not for this year. So I was happy to play myself into the team and to go out and represent GBNI. It was a really special moment for me, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and it was a great team atmosphere, and everyone was just great, and I think everyone had a really good week.
Chara Louise yn dŵl, ddi fi chwmas a haidd i fi yn blin ysa, a siw I tosig o mach ar cwclwch a'i tosig na season.
Yeah, I've definitely shocked myself. I didn't think I'd ever really have that good a season. I was playing well going into the season, then I got off to a wee bit of a rocky start, getting DQ'd in my first event, and then I got knocked out the first round of the Scottish Am, which it was a weird schedule for us. It was like 3 weeks full on, 3 tournaments, and then it was like a long gap without anything. So it was a bit different because of the COVID thing, and I never played last year, so that was actually my first competition back in about 2 years. So it was really strange for me, and yeah, to get back in and get amongst it was great.
A siw i'n syrfys eich gym blina, ha Louise yn eisiau bech gyhwy a triach lanwn an y golf, nid ych ydys I cthiach idd yn olhau.
This year's definitely been the best, and I think I'll find it hard to top it, but I'm looking forward to that challenge. And throughout the years, I feel like I've got better every year, which is always a good thing. Even just looking at results and like some sort of stats. I've got better each year, which is positive, and hopefully I'll just keep on doing that, really. Before this year, I'd always said that I would never turn pro because I didn't think I was ever good enough. But after the Women's Open, I know if I play my best, I can compete with them. So, I mean, that's kind of changed my mindset a wee bit about the future, but I need a degree first, so it won't be until another couple of years, but hopefully I can keep on playing well and then decide what I want to do after uni. It's to the Augusta Women's US Open, and then because I came top 10 AMG, I get to go to Muirfield next year to play in the same event, so it's going to be a big year for me, and yeah, can't really wait.